Hi, I'm Tim with Sharpertek Ultrasonics, and I'm here in Pontiac, Michigan at their manufacturing and engineering facility to demonstrate the 7-station automated ultrasonic cleaning machine. To initiate it, we simply put it into auto mode. And let it know that the load station is ready to be picked up. So this is a gantry system that is going to take the basket from the load station to the cleaning tank for the first cleaning tank. This first cleaning tank has a weir and an oil skimmer on the back of it. Also, it has a spray bar on the front to push any oils back into the overflow weir. At our load station, we have roller bearings for easy and smooth load and unload. Now to allow it to unload, we just take our basket away from the unload station. The machine here is designed to typically have a conveyor in front of it here to allow the parts that are unloaded at the unload station to be transferred around the shop to where they need to go after the clean. I'm just going to press the unload station clear button. Now this basket here is coming out of our drying chamber. We actually have dual drying chambers on this machine to keep the throughput up. It's a high throughput machine here. Now we have a very short cycle time right here of 1 minute, just so we can hopefully get some of these baskets moving through this machine. As you'll see, it'll now move a basket from the third tank to the drying tank that's open. We have our wash tank, and then these two tanks here are actually a cascade rinse tank. We fill this final tank up with water autofilled to a certain liquid level to maintain an optimal liquid level. And we allow that to flow through the separator here into the second tank, which is the first rinse tank. When this goes down here, you use an air knife so that when you raise and lower the basket into and out of the drying chamber, the air knife knocks a lot of the water off. And then we also have a recirculating hot air dryer system with a plenum underneath the tank that allows the air to recirculate and heat up and dry the parts off. Now what you hear clicking there is an air brake. We use an air brake to ensure that if air was lost in the system at any time, you would not have any issues with the pneumatic cylinder dropping suddenly or losing its position incorrectly. We also have the process indicators on either end here on the light stacks to let you know the status of the load station or the unload station, depending on which one needs to have action. If it's a green light, it means it's ready for operator interaction. So I'm going to tell it that I loaded a basket, and we'll see the status change to say, to go to red, to say that it's not ready for an operator to interact with it, i.e. it's an unsafe condition potentially. The Cascade rinse tanks, they also have an interesting feature where they do wastewater treatment. So as we autofill the tanks to a certain level here, that means that a little bit of water could go into the runoff. This maintains an optimal clean tank in your final rinse. So that means that it's going to dose liquid down to the drain to allow it to meet the regulations by the local county or city for what they want going down the drain. After this drop of basket or the cleaning tank 1, we'll have seen a full cycle of all the baskets going through all the tanks. You can run this without all the baskets loaded or with only some of the baskets loaded, and you have an ability on the HMI screen to program recipes for what basket you want to go through which tank. So we're just running a full automatic cycle at the moment. There's options to run different recipes. Also, this machine can return the baskets from the unload station back to the load station if so desired. Please get in contact with Sharpertek Ultrasonics if you're interested in one of these systems or a system similar to it. They customize their systems to the customer's needs. Thanks.